Hello everyone, this is Subham Gaur and welcome back to my channel and we will start this chapter integration sorry for being late now, but now we can start. Tell me my voice is coming or not. Hello. Hello. Okay, hello, hi everyone. Okay, so we will start from this question. Here we will see first we will see some simple question. Then after that we will approach this one. So we can start some easy question. This one is easy. So here how we will approach this question. Here we are having one property a to b fx dx. This property we will use, and this property is saying formula is a to b f of a plus b minus x. This formula we can apply here into dx. So what will happen if we will replace this x with a plus b minus x, then what will happen? So x we can replace with a plus b. So this one is a and this one is b. So we will write a plus b. A plus b means 1 plus 16 minus x we will write. Correct. So what we are seeing? We are seeing x, we are writing 17 minus x. So 17 minus x we will write at place of x. Then we will check what is happening. So if I am writing here, so it will be 1 to 16 and here 17 minus x will come in numerator, and in the denominator also here we can write 17 minus x. 17 minus x with root, and if I will write here then I will show you what will happen. 17 minus, here we will apply bracket, so it will become 17 minus x, 17 minus 17 plus x, so finally it will become x. So what we will write? We will write under root x here dx. So this will be our equation number 1 and this will be our equation number 2. So next thing what we will do, we will add these two equation and we can write I plus I, so it will become 2i. 2i equal to what? 2i equal to 1 to 16. Then these two integration we will write and we will add. So it will become root x plus root 17 minus x, and same will come in denominator. So root x plus root of 17 minus x dx. Then after that easily we can cancel. So this and this part will cancel. It will become dx only. So 2i equal to what? 1 to 16 dx. Dx integration is nothing but x. So here we will apply limit. So upper limit then lower limit. So upper limit then minus then lower limit. 16 minus 1 15. Here we can write I value is what? 15 by 2. So that will become our answer. So this is the simple application of this property a plus b minus x, and this we will use again and again because maximum question we will approach by this property. So if you can understand this, you can tell me in chat. Okay, you are missing Gautam sir. Gautam sir will come. Gautam sir will come soon. Huh? Okay, so after this next this one we can try. So how we can approach this one? So we need cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. So what is our formula? We are having some formula for cos 2x, but here is x not 2x. So we will write for x. So cos x formula is saying cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. So this formula we are using. We are having some other two formula also, but that one we will not use. We will use this one because if we will apply this formula, we will simplify this easily. So what I am saying, I am writing cos x as cos square x by 2, cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 I will write, and then in denominator we can write cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 as it is we can write. Here is what whole cube and here integration dx. Then after that what we will do? Here a square, here b square. So that formula we will apply. You can solve this question and tell me the answer in chat. That also I will check. If you can tell me the answer, please tell what will be answer of this one. A little louder. I am trying my best, my dear. I will try. I will try. After so many months, I am doing this live, so it will take some time, but I will try. Okay, so this formula we are applying a plus b, a minus b. Then after that, we can write cos x by 2, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. So this will become a plus b, and second one will become a minus b. So cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. This we can write. After this, what will happen? This denominator and numerator, one part we can cancel. The remaining we will see what we can do. So here cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole cube. This one part we can cancel. This and this. So it will become 2 power only. Here dx it will become 2 power. Then we will see what will happen here. Limit is 0 to pi by 2. So cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 minus sin x by 2 divided by what? Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. This we can write. After this, tell me what we can do. Okay, tell me after this what we can do. What we can do. Anyone, you can tell me after this. Okay, so after this, what we can do, we will take this denominator again t cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. I am taking t. If you will take this t, easily you can solve after this. So differentiation of cos x by 2 we know. Differentiation of cos x is what? Minus sin x by 2. But here we have to apply chain rule. We will apply chain rule, and chain rule is saying what? First we will differentiate this cos. So cos we differentiated and we got minus sin x by 2, but it will not complete here. Again we have to differentiate this x by 2. So x by differentiation, x by 2 differentiation is what? 1 by 2. Then after that sin x by 2, again we will differentiate this sign, so it will become cos x by 2, and after that we will differentiate again x by 2, it will become 1 by 2, and here we can write dx into dx equal to dt. Ah, then we will check with denominator, sorry, with numerator. If you can take 1 by 2 common, it will become as it is like numerator. So 1 by 2 I am taking common. Remaining is what? Cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 we will write, minus sin x by 2 dx equal to dt. So now what we can do? This 2 we can transfer there. So what it will become? it will become cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Minus sin x by 2 dx will be what? 2 dt. Dx equal to 2 dt. Here we will change limit also. So this integration will become 2 dt divided by t square. We have to change limit also. Okay, so this limit we have to change here. If you will change limit here, how you will change? In this, you have to write one by one. First, what we will write? We will write this pi by 2. If you will write here pi by 2, what it will become? It will become pi by 4. And cos pi by 4 is what? 1 by root 2. Same, it will become pi by 4. 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is 2 by root 2. So finally, it will become what? Root 2. And if you will write here 0, cos 0 will become 1, sin 0 will be 0. So limit will be from 1 to 2. So after this you can try, you will get answer also. Okay, tell me after this what will be the answer. Okay, I'm waiting for your answer. You can tell in chat, and I will go on next question, and we will see how we can approach that one. So next will be what? This one. This one we are having. This one is easy question. How we will approach? Little bit knowledge of differentiation. If you are having easily, you can do this one. How you will do? Normally, we will take log x equal to t. Okay, so question is why we are taking log x equal to t? Because see, this dx by x is written in numerator. So this dx by x will become what? Dt. So that's why we are taking log x equal to t. Then after that, differentiation of this will be what? 1 by x dx. 1 by x dx will be what? Dt. So this we will write dt. If you will write this dt, it will become what? Dt by t square. Okay, tell me after this. Oh, very good. Okay, tell me final answer also. After this, what will be final answer? Okay, someone is saying x power and formula is x power. Others is saying x power and formula we can apply. Very good. We will apply and we will get answer minus 1 by t. Yes, minus 1 by t we will get. So we will move on to next one. We'll see. So this question, huh? So different types we are covering with these questions. Whatever formula we are using, we are using in questions, theory part, concept also. Everything we will see by one, taking questions and all questions, all theory part or concept we will revise here. So how we are approaching this question? Here, what will be our approach? This x minus 3 we will check where it is becoming 0. So x minus 3 becoming 0 when x equal to what? X equal to 3. So at x equal to 3, we will break this limit. Correct? So minus 2 to 2, we will break at 3. So if you are breaking at 3, how we will break? First limit minus 2. Okay, so this is saying we have to break at x equal to 3. So x equal to 3 is not coming under our limit. So that is also very good. Directly we can substitute, correct? So any number you can take between minus 2 to 2. Here this mod will tell you plus sign or minus sign what we will apply. So any one value, 0 we will take here. If you will write here 0, it will become what? 0 minus 3. I am saying inside mod. Inside mod it is becoming minus 3. So one extra minus will come out. So here we can write minus of x minus 3 and limiting value minus 2 to 2 dx. This you can solve easily. X integration x power n formula and 3 integration is 3x. So what you can write? You can write minus x square by 2 and here minus 3x. So it will become minus 2 to 2 First we will apply the upper limit, then minus, then lower limit. So here minus. So 2 we will write here, it will become 2 square. 2 square means 4 by 2 minus 2 here also, so it will be 6. Correct? Then bracket, first minus, then bracket. Minus 2 we will apply here. So minus 2 square 4 again, 4 by 2. And here if you will write minus, it will become plus 6. If you will solve this, you will get your answer. Okay, tell me answer for this one. What will be answer? Anyone can tell me answer. Sir, one doubt. Why didn't you separate it? Why didn't you separate? Why we are not separating? Because we are checking when this mod is becoming 0. This mod is becoming 0 at x equal to 3. Now this x equal to 3 is not coming under our limit. That's why we are not breaking. Because here values are coming from minus 2 to 2. This 3 is not under our limit. This is outside the limiting condition. That's why we are not breaking at 3. Correct? So any one value we will take from minus 2 to 2, that will decide the sign of this modulus. So we took 0. If you will take 0, it is coming minus 3. So one extra minus we will apply. If it will come plus 3, it will open with plus sign. Okay, someone is saying minus 12, someone is saying okay. Minus 12, minus 12. Okay, Mohit is saying 12. Okay, we will check. So here minus, it will come what? 2 minus 6. And here minus is going inside. So minus 2 minus 6. This minus 2 plus 2 will cancel. Minus 6 will be minus 12. But here is one more minus. So it will become plus 12. So answer will be plus 12. Very good. Answer will be plus 12. So after this, we will take next. So this one we can take. Okay, so this also modular same. So this is saying from 0 to 3 pi by 2 sin x. So if you know sin x graph, easily you can tackle this one also. So sin x graph is like that only. Okay, so here we are writing 0. This point is pi by 2. Then next point is what? Pi. Then next point is 3 pi by 2. So we have to break in between 0 to 3 pi by 2. This graph is becoming 0 at this point. Which point? This graph is becoming 0 at this point pi. So in last question also I told you when this graph will become 0, there only we will break this function. This limit we will break. So this limit will break at pi. So how we will break? First we will write 0 to pi. So here we know in between 0 to pi, this curve is positive, correct? So if this curve is positive, means this y value is positive, means this sin x we will open with plus sign. So it will come sin x only, sin x dx. Then second part, we will use this limits from pi to 3 pi by 2. So in duration of pi to 3 pi by 2, this will be the graph, correct? But this is negative. So here we will apply mod. Either you can apply mod or you can apply one extra minus. That is your choice. So here I am writing one extra minus. Minus sin x dx. Okay, if you can solve this, you will get this answer also. Correct. So tell me the answer for this one. Okay, tell me the answer how you will solve this. First, we have to write sin x integration. So that is what? Minus cos x. So here you will write minus cos x. Limiting value will be 0 to pi. Here also minus out sin x integration minus cos x. Minus minus will become plus. So here you can write cos x. Limiting value will be what? 3 pi by 2 to pi. This will be limiting value. If you remember cos x graph, these limit easily you can solve. So this will be cos x graph. So here 0, here pi by 2, then again here pi. then next will be 3 pi by 2. Correct. So if you are writing cos pi value minus 1, then minus, then cos 0 1, this part over, then here plus. Now cos is saying 3 pi by 2. So this point is 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 means 0, then minus, and cos pi value is what? Minus 1. So it will become plus 1. Here also minus will come out. It will become what? 2. It will become 1. So finally 3. Okay, tell me the answer for this one. You are getting your answer or not? Okay, this 3 you are getting, you can tell me in chat. I will try next one. We'll see. So this is our next question. So this is saying what? Sine 2x is in numerator, and sine 5x into sine 3x in denominator. Correct? So what we will do in this type of question, same thing we will create in numerator. What? What you are saying, sir? What I am saying this sine 5x and sine 3x we will create in numerator. If you will create, what will happen? Same thing if you will create in numerator with plus minus sign. Easily we can separate this numerator. Correct? So what will be our approach? This sine 2x we are writing first sine 5x minus 3x. This you can write sine 5x minus 3x. Now you can apply sine a minus b formula. So this formula we are applying. So formula is saying sine a cos b, then minus cos A sin B. That is our formula. Correct. That is our formula. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So this formula we are applying. So how we can write? We can write sin 5x cos 3x, then minus cos 5x and then sin 3x. This we can write in numerator. After that we will separate. Easily we will get our answer. Correct. So this I am writing here sin 5x cos 3x, then minus cos 5x sin 3x. Correct? And we will divide by a denominator. So this we will get sin 5x sin 3x, and here also sin 5x sin 3x. Okay, after this again you can tell me in chat. Tell me the answer, what answer you are getting after this. So sin 5x again will cancel, sin 3x here will cancel, cos 3x by sin 3x will become cot. It will become cot 3x, and here it will become cot 5x. Okay, if you know the formula, after this you can tell me. Tell me the formula and answer also what you will get. Okay, I am waiting for you. Tell me the answer after this. Okay, so cot x formula is what? Cot x is log sin x. But one thing you can remember here whatever is the coefficient here, cot x coefficient I am saying, or whatever trigonometric function or any other function is there, coefficient of x we have to write in denominator. Here also coefficient of x we have to write in denominator. So how we will write? Cot x will become log sin x. So log sin, it will become log sin 3x. Okay, divided by 3 minus here we can write log sine 5x divided by 3. Sorry, divided by 5 plus c. So this will be our answer. Very good. Answer is coming very good. So after this we will try next. Okay, so I am giving you time for this. 1 minute time I am giving you. You try and tell me what answer you are getting. Okay, tell me this one. Okay, tell me the answer for this one. What will be the answer? Okay, someone is saying 4. Okay, we will check how we are getting 4, or we will get some other answer. We will see. Correct. So here one property we will apply. Which property? Here we are having property 0 to 2a f of x dx. This property we will apply. This property is saying we can split this function in two part. This 2 you can take out, and 0 to a 0 to a f of x dx. But when you will write this, you can write if f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x, then you can write this. Okay, and second part it will become 0 when f of 2a minus x will become minus fx. Correct. So these are the two cases. So this property we will apply here, correct? So what we can do, this 2 pi minus x we will write here, because formula is saying 2a minus x. So if you will write here cos 2 pi minus x, what will happen? 2 pi minus x, if you will write in cos square, 2 pi minus theta will be in fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant cos theta will be positive. So what you can write? You can write directly cos square x. So same function is coming or not? Same function is coming or not? If same function is coming, from here you can take 1 2 out. That is our property. Correct? So we will take 1 2 out from here. Then what will happen? If you can take 1 2 out, it will become 0 to pi. 0 to pi cos square x dx. But we are making as it is this one, pi by 2, correct? So again 1 2 we have to take from here. But again property, what property is saying? Again we will apply here cos square 0 plus pi minus x we will write here. So cos pi minus x. Cos pi minus x is going in second quadrant, and in second quadrant cos theta is negative. But because of this square, nothing will change. It will come minus cos x, but here is one square, so it will become cos square x. So again same function is coming. So 1 2 you can take again from here. So it will become 4 and 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. Okay, so now we can compare with this integration and we can say k value is what? 4. So for this one, k value is 4. Okay, so we will go to next one. Ah, okay, so this we will try. Again, I will give you some time and you tell me in this one what answer you are getting. Correct? So again, I will give you 1 minute and try this. Tell me what you can do. Okay, tell me in the chat in this one what answer you are getting. Correct, I am waiting for you. 1 minute I am giving you, then I will tell. Okay, you try and tell me. Okay, anyone getting answer for this? Tell me, anyone is getting? Okay, e power minus 2x we can take t. So what will be my suggestion? What we can do, we can take x power minus x as t. Okay, so here we are writing x power minus x as t. What will happen? We will differentiate this. So first e power x differentiation, e power x differentiation, e power x. But here is what? Minus x. So here we have to apply chain rule. So chain rule is saying first we will do this function differentiation. Then again we will do minus x differentiation. So minus x differentiation minus 1, then dx equal to what? Dt. So our differentiation is saying e power minus x. Here minus we can write outside. Dx will be what? Dt. So we can write e power minus x, dx will be what? Dt. Minus dt, correct? So here we can write e power minus x, then in denominator 1 plus e power minus x whole square, this we can write first. Then at place of e power minus x, we will replace t. Okay, so our numerator is what? Numerator is this. So numerator is saying e power minus x dx equal to minus dt. So here minus dt divided by what? 1 plus t square. So now here we have to apply formula. So again tell me formula and tell me final answer also. Okay, so Mohit is saying minus tan inverse e power minus x minus 4. Okay, so here we know this is what? Tan inverse x formula. So we can write minus of tan inverse t, minus of tan inverse t plus c. T is what? E power minus x. So final answer minus of tan inverse e power minus x plus c. So this will be our answer. Okay, very good, very good. So this one is correct. Minus of tan inverse e power minus x. Okay, Hari Shankar is saying that is correct. So next, we will try next. So this will be our next question. Again, I will give you time. Okay, try this one and tell me. This again 1 minute I am giving you. Try and tell me what answer you are getting. Okay, tell me next. This one. In this one, what we can do? First step again important. First line, what you will write. Then we will start. Okay, 10x plus secant x plus c. Very good. So this question answer is what? 10x plus secant x plus c. Because when we will apply here this conjugate, we will multiply, so it will become what? I will give you idea, then I will move on to second one. So idea is what? Secant x plus 10x, we will multiply and divide. Then after that, uh, this will be numerator. If you will apply here secant x minus 10x, sorry, plus 10x, so it will become what? A plus b, a minus b, so it will become secant square x minus 10 square x, that will become 1. Okay, so then after that, this you can multiply inside here and here. So secant square x integration 10x and secant x into 10x integration secant x. So final answer will be 10x plus secant x plus c. Okay, so next. Okay, so this one, tell me, in this one we what we can do, this type of question we are doing, this will be third question, because two question we already did. So I am expecting from you, you will tell me correct answer of this, or you will understand the concept where we can break this x. Tell me in the chat and tell me what will be the answer. Okay, someone is saying -1, someone is saying 0, and plus 1 also. So how we can break? Again, I will tell you this x, when we can break, when it will become 0, then only we will break. So it is becoming 0 at x equal to 0. So we have to break at 0. So this limit -1 to 0. Correct. So -1 to 0. Any number you can take in between this, and you can write on this modulus. Correct. So this modulus will tell you we have to open with minus sign or plus sign. Let's say any number minus 0.5 I am writing in this modulus. So it will become what? Minus 0.5 inside modulus. If inside modulus minus is coming, it will open with negative sign. And if inside any positive value will come, it will open with plus sign. So here it will open with minus sign. Finally, we can write minus x square dx, and second part will be what? 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Any one number we can take, it will open with plus sign because it is coming positive 0.5. So this modulus will open with plus x, and plus x and into this x will become x square. So this we have to solve. If this you will solve, you will get x cube by 3. Upper limit 0, lower limit -1. Then here plus, again x cube by 3, upper limit 1, lower limit 0. So this limit we will apply here. So first we will apply this upper limit. So 0 cube will be 0, then minus. Then -1 here we will apply. -1 power 3 will be -1. So -1 by 3. Then here plus sign. Now we will apply this one here. It will become 1 by 3. Then minus lower limit. If you will write here 0, it will become 0. So finally minus minus plus. But this minus also here. So minus. So minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. It is coming what? It is coming 0. Next. So this answer is coming 0. We will try next. So next one will be this. Okay. So this one, tell me in this one how you will do. -2 to 3. Okay. Again, I will give you time for this one. 1 minute I am giving you. This one is easy. MCQ question. So tell me what answer you will get for K. Tell me, I am giving you time for this. Okay, tell me for this. Okay, this one uh I will give you for homework. You can try now also, and you can tell me what will be the answer. Okay, and I will move on to the next one. So next one will be this. Okay, so tell me how we can approach this. Okay, someone is saying one, someone is saying two. Okay, two. Okay. For last question, I think you are saying. Okay, try this one also. Log x. How we will try this? For this we are using y parts UV method we are using. So UV, if you are integrating, how we are integrating this u as it is integration of v. So formula is saying u integration of v, then minus differentiation of u dy by dx of u integration of v. So that is our formula. This formula we will apply here. So we are having here only one function, but this formula is for two function. So what we will do, we will write here one we will write with log x. So it will become our first, this will become u and this will become v. In this formula, you have to understand always that function we are writing u, easily we can differentiate. So for differentiation, we are writing u, correct? And how you will pick u and v, for that we are having eyelid method. So that is for picking of u, correct? Inverse trigonometry, log, algebraic function, here trigonometric function and exponential function. That is the order for picking this function u, correct? So, but here is only log x. So, log x will become u and 1 will become v. Then after that, we will apply this formula. Formula saying u log x as it is integration of 1 dx, then minus differentiation of log x, dy by dx of log x, and integration of 1 dx. So that is our formula. Okay, so we will apply one integration x. So x log x minus here differentiation of log x is what, 1 by x, integration of 1 is x, so x dx, this x and this x you can cancel, it will become what, x log x minus here integration of dx is x. Then you can apply this limit, upper limit then lower limit. So first we will write upper limit, so e log e minus e, then bracket, and then lower limit, so 1 log 1 minus 1, correct? So log e base e, it will become 1. Here is e, e minus e will be 0. Again, log e base e, it will become 1, e minus e 0. So what? Again, this will become 0. Log 1 will be 0. So what we can write? Here 0, then here minus, here 0 minus 1, minus 1. Final answer is 1. Okay, so final answer is 1. We will try next. Okay, so tell me what method we can use for this. Anyone in the chat, I will give you time for 1 minute. How we are approaching this one? Tell me fast. Okay, here we will split this. Middle term splitting we can use. Anyone if don't know middle term splitting, once I will tell you what we are doing. X square plus 6x minus 4 is here. Correct? So what we will do? First part of this middle term splitting. or what we are saying making of perfect square. So we are doing making of perfect square. So we are having three lines. First line is saying x square coefficient we need 1. Okay, so x square coefficient is 1 here. If there will be some other number, first we will take that number common so that we can make x square coefficient 1. Then after that second line will be what? This will become a square. And from here you will get b. So how you will get b? Whatever is the coefficient of x divided by 2 will become b. So if you will divide this by 2, you will get 3. And this x will become a. Correct? So, and this sign will decide in between we will write a plus b whole square or we will write a minus b whole square. So only this sign will decide. So here is plus, so we will write plus. So finally x plus 3 whole square. Now third line. Third line is what? Third line is saying whatever we are writing here, whole square of this number we will subtract always. So 3 square is 9. So 9 we will subtract and then remaining number we will write here. So it will become like this. So what we can write x plus 3 whole square minus 13. This we can write correct. So we will write here. So it will become what? X plus 3 whole square minus 13. Minus 13 you can write root 13 whole square so that we can make formula. So x plus 3 whole square, x plus 3 whole square minus root 3 whole square. This we can write correct, and here you can make formula. Here dx. So sir, which formula we can make? You can make under root of x square minus a square. Correct. So this formula we are making. So this formula is saying x by 2 under root of x square minus a square. Then a square sign will decide here what we will write, plus or minus. So here a square is negative. So we will write minus a square by 2. Then what we will write? What we will write? We will write log x plus under root of x square minus a square. So that is our formula plus c. Okay, anyone tell me we are having three formulas like that, correct? So we will revise all three formula. One formula we already wrote, one more I will write. So after this one more formula we are having under root of x square plus a square, correct? So dx, how we will write? X by 2. Then same, the same we will write under root of x square plus a square. And I told you a square sign will decide what we will write here. Here minus, so here minus, here plus, so here plus, a square by 2. Then what? Log. Again log. And here we will write x plus under root of x square plus a square plus c. So that will be our formula. One more formula we have under root of a square minus x square. Again, formula is saying x by 2, then same under root of a square minus x square. Then here a square sign again positive, so plus a square by 2. Then here sine inverse x by a. That is our formula. These three formula you can remember. You will see one question based on these three formula also. Okay, so after this you can tell me answer. For this one formula I already told you. You can write. After this you can write. So we will try next. So this will be our next question. Again, I will give you time for 1 minute. You try this one and tell me what you can do. Correct? Try this one. Okay, so this one we are trying. My voice is coming. Okay, so this one we are trying. My voice is coming. Okay, okay. So tell me for this one what we can do. Anyone in the chat? Tell me. Okay, so how we will approach? See, here we are seeing this 2x. So 2x will give me some hint. What hint, sir? X square if you are taking t, correct? So differentiation of x square will be what? 2x. So we can write 2x dx will be dt, correct? So here we will write 2x dx will be dt. So dt by t plus 1 into t minus 4 we can write. Correct? T plus 1, T minus 4 we can write. So after this, what we will do? We will use partial fraction. So how we are solving? We are solving like that. 1 by t plus 1 and t minus 4. This you can write a by t plus 1. Here also I will tell you the concept. If here we are writing linear function, this is linear, correct? Then here we will write ABC. If here we will write quadratic, which type of quadratic? That we can't break in factor form. Then here we will write some linear function. But here is linear, so here we will write ABC. ABC means 0 degree. 1 degree less we will write here. If here 1 degree polynomial we are writing, then here we will write 0 degree polynomial. Let's say here I am writing t square plus 1. So this is what 2 degree polynomial. Here we will take then 1 degree polynomial, means ax plus b, that type of term we will write. So here a by t plus 1, then second term will be b by t minus 4. Then a and b we need, a and b we will try. So normal method we have that we will apply, means we will take what? We will take LCM, then easily we will write. So LCM is what? LCM is saying A into t minus 4 and then here plus B into t plus 1. This you can write. In denominator you can write t plus 1 and t minus 4. Correct? Here you will write 1 by t plus 1 into t minus 4. So these two will cancel. These two will cancel. Remaining we can write again. A 1 equal to a t minus 4. Then second term will be what? V into t plus 1. Here we will write, first we will write t equal to 4 here. Some people will ask, sir, why you are writing 4? Because if you will write here 4, na, this term will become 0. Then calculation will be easy, correct? So 1 equal to a. This will become 0 plus b. Here t you can write 4. 4 plus 1 will be 5. So 1 equal to what? 5b. So from here b you can take b equal to 1 by 5. That will be value of b. Same way you can find a also. Correct. So for a, what we will write? We will write t equal to minus 1. Because at t equal to minus 1, this bracket will become 0. So what we will write? 1 equal to a t value minus 1 minus 4 and this will become 0. So b into 0. Correct. So 1 equal to minus 5a. From here you will get a value is what? Minus 1 by 5. Okay, these two values we can write here and here. Then what will happen? 1 by 5 uh, integration of 1 by t plus 1, correct? But what we have done here, x square we took t, correct? So we complete question we converted in t. So no problem, we can write. So this will be 1 by t plus 1 dt. Second part will be what? Minus, okay, a will be minus 1 by 5. Okay, a is minus 1 by 5 and v is what? Plus 1 by 5. So plus 1 by 5 here dt by t minus 4. This you can write. Okay, so here integration minus 1 by 5 log t plus 1. T value is what? X square. So x square plus 1 by 5. Here log. x square minus 4. This you can write plus c. Okay, so next. Next question is this, correct? So this question also not that much difficult, but it will look like how we will start, correct? So how we will start that I will tell you. So if you can simplify this denominator, everything will be easy for you, correct? So how we will simplify, sir? We can simplify by multiplying conjugate. This plus sign we will change with minus and we will multiply divide. Easily you can tackle after that. So what I am saying x plus a and here minus under root of x plus b. Same thing we will multiply in denominator also. So then after that what will happen that I will show you. So here this plus under root of x plus b, correct? This thing into under root of x plus a, then here minus under root of x plus b. Here you can write dx. Okay, so this will be what? A plus B, and this you can say A minus B. So this is looking like formula, correct? So this is our formula. Which formula? A square minus B square formula. A square means what? This thing. This is A. When you will apply here square, this root will cancel. So directly you can write x plus A. Then what you are writing? Minus. This a thing is B. So we have to write B square. What will be B square? B square will be x plus B. But here is minus, so we will write with bracket. So this will be x plus B. This minus we are multiplying inside. So what will happen? X plus A minus x minus b. So this x and this x will cancel. So a minus b is coming finally, correct? So a minus b we can write outside the integration. So 1 of 1 divided by a minus b. Then remaining is what? X plus a power 1 by 2. Here minus x plus b power 1 by 2. Formula is saying x power n formula you can apply here. Correct? So x power n formula means x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So 1 by a minus b. Here you can write x plus a power 1 by 2 plus 1 means 3 by 2. Here divided by 3 by 2. Here also x plus b power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c. Here no need to write integration because we already integrated this one. So directly we will apply bracket. That is better. So here bracket and this will be plus c. This 2 3 by t you can transfer in numerator. It will become 2 by 3. Correct. So one line you can write. Okay. Tell me the answer for next one. I will show you the next question. Okay. This one. I will give you time for this. 1 minute I am giving you. Uh, use your time and tell me what answer you are getting for this. Correct? So try this one. 1 minute I am giving you. Try. Okay, someone is saying 3 log x equal to t. 3 log x equal to t will not work here. Something we have to think. Okay, how we will think that for that I will give you hint for that. Okay, so first we will tackle this one first. Okay, so for that we should know one formula. Which formula, sir? This formula. E power log x, here base e. So this formula is saying directly you can write this thing equal to x. But here is one problem. This here is one 3. So that 3 we have to remove from here. Then only you can write this thing equal to x. So this 3 I am saying this you can transfer here. It will come in power of x. Which formula we are using? We are using log m power n formula. Log m power n is saying n log m. This formula we are using. Correct? So now this is in form of this n log m. We are writing log m power n. You can write e log x power 3. Okay. So now this you can write x cube. After this, what we can do? This will become x cube. The second term, I am saying this you can transfer in denominator. So this minus 1 will become plus 1. So now we can write x power 4 plus 1. Anyone can tell me after this? Tell me after this. Okay, tell me after this. After this, what we can do? No, no, tan inverse formula not correct. Tan inverse formula will be wrong. Here what we can do, see if you will differentiate x power 4, x cube will come. So this x power 4 is giving us hint. What hint? We can take the x power 4 plus 1 as t. This thing we can take t. What will happen? X power n formula, differentiation. 4x power n minus 1 means 3. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Dx equal to what? Dt. So after this what you can write? X cube dx will be dt by 3 dt by 3. So here you can write dt by 3 and in denominator you can write t. So 1 by 3 out and this you can write dt by t. So dt by t integration is simple 1 by 3 log t and at place of t you can write x power 4 plus 1 plus c. So that will be our answer. Good. Very good. X power 4 plus 1 equal to t. Okay, next. So this is our next question, and this is good question. You try this one and tell me what will be your approach. Again, I will give you time. 1 minute time again I will give you. You try this one and tell me what answer you are getting. Some questions are good also in this lecture that you have to see. Okay, I am giving you time. Yes, dt by 4 is correct for last question. Okay, tell me this one. In this one, what you can do? Under root of x y 1 minus x cube. Okay, anyone can tell me this one. Under root of x y 1 minus x cube. dt by 4 is correct, others. Okay, tell me this one. Okay, so what will be my idea in this one? How we can do? Some hint I will give you, then you can try. See, this under root x is here. If you will break this under root, you can write under root of x divided by 1 minus x cube with under root. This you can write, I think, dx, correct? So here what we can do, here see this is what x power 3, this is what under root of x. What you have to think, what you will differentiate so that this under root x will come. Means we are saying x power 1 by 2. What we will differentiate so that x power 1 by 2 will come. Correct? So what is my idea? I am saying if you are considering x power 3 by 2 as t, then what will happen? If you will differentiate this, you can write 3 by 2 x power n minus 1 means 3 by 2 minus 1 dx will be dt, correct? So this will become what? 3 by 2 x power 1 by 2 dx will be dt. So what I am saying, if you are considering x power 3 by 2 as t, then x power 1 by 2 is coming. Correct? So we have to generate x power 3 by 2 here. So this we have to generate. So if we are generating this x power 3 by 2, how we can generate this x power 3 we will write. Okay, so this I am writing in this form. I think then you will understand under root x dx, then 1 minus this x cube I am writing x power 3 by 2. Okay, x power 3 by 2. Then here is square I am writing and here I am writing root. So after this, what will happen? We will write this term as t. If you will write this t, this will come. And this 3 by 2 you can transfer on the other side. So x power 1 by 2 dx will be what? 2 by 3 dt. 2 by 3 dt. Correct? So this will become what? 2 by 3 dt, I think. So 2 by 3 dt divided by 1 minus. This term we will write t, so it will become t square inside root. Now I will ask, tell me after this line what we should write. Tell me. After this line what we can write. Okay, so after this line, we will write formula of sine inverse x because this is becoming like that dx by under root of 1 minus x square. So here 2 by 3 sine inverse of t. We can write sine inverse of t plus c. And what will be t? T will be x power 3 by 2. So here we can write 2 by 3 sine inverse x power 3 by 2 plus c. That will become our answer. Okay, so after this next we will see this one is next. Okay, who will tell me this one? This one also good. These are two marker. It will come in 1 mark or 2 mark. Correct, but it will take you to that level. Means you have to think little bit. You have to think. Otherwise, you can't do this one. Correct. Here also thought process is important. In this question also thought process is important. After this we will take one more. There also thought process is important. Correct. So tell me, I will give you time for this one also. Tell me what you can do in this. Okay. So what is our idea? We will take here k is constant here. So don't think about k because k will come in answer also. Correct? So k is not the variable, k is constant. So what I am saying k minus x as new variable. K minus x equal to t. This I am considering. So if I will differentiate this, k is constant, so differentiation will be 0. X differentiation with respect to x will be 1. So here we can write minus dx equal to dt. So dx will be what? Dx will be minus dt. Correct? Dx will be minus dt. So here we can write, here is dx. So dx we can write minus dt. So minus is coming, dt also coming. Here we will write t. Okay, that is important. This x how we can write because we are converting question in t. So half question we already converted. This also we have to convert. So from here you can find x value. This x you can transfer here. This t you can transfer here. So k minus t will be x. So here you can write k minus t. And this bracket will become what? T power 23. And here what? Dt. Then we will multiply inside this here and this here. So minus k t power what? 23 dt. Then this minus here, minus plus. So it will become t into t power 23 dt. Correct? So t power 1, t power 23 will be t power 24. K we can take out. So it will become minus k t power 23 then dt. Correct? And here you can write t power 24 dt. So you have to integrate this. How you will integrate? Integrate minus k. Here you can apply x power n formula again. So x power n formula is saying x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So 23 plus 1, 24 divided by 24. Here t power 24 will be t power 25 divided by 25 plus c. Okay, so at the place of t, you can write k minus x. So finally, minus k. So t will be what? K minus x power 24 by 24. And here you can write k minus x power again 25 divided by 25 plus c. So that will become your answer. Anyone got this answer? Please tell me in chat. Please tell me this one if you are getting or not. Okay, so next, after this, next. This one is done. Okay, so this one also good. Okay, so again, I will give you time and tell me how you can approach this one. Log x minus 1 divided by 1 plus log x square and whole square. Tell me what will be our method, how we can tackle this one, how we will start, what will be first line. First line is important again now. Tell me. Which one you are not getting? Tell me which one you are not getting. I will explain you again. Okay, very good. Log x equal to t. Someone is saying log x equal to t. I am also saying log x equal to t. But one extra line I will say. When you are taking log x equal to t, after this you will differentiate this and you will write 1 by x dx equal to dt. Better you will write this. What I am saying, this you can write x equal to e power t. First you should write this in form exponential form. Okay, this e is here, e will go there, e will become base, t will become power. So we will write this in exponential form. Then we will differentiate. Then easily you can convert this question in this format e power x fx plus f dash x. You can convert in this form. Okay, that is our target. So x equal to e power t we got. Then differentiation. So differentiation saying x power e power t x equal to e power t differentiation dx equal to e power t dt you can write. Correct? And at place of log x you can write t. So finally what we will get? T minus 1 divided by 1 plus t square. And here we will write whole square divided by what? Divided by what? Divided by dx equal to e power t dt. This we can write. Anyone can tell me after this? Okay, so I will tell you after this also. First, this square we will open. Then what will happen? E power t outside. Here you can write t minus 1 whole square. T minus 1 whole square is what? 1 plus t square minus 2t. Correct? And in denominator you can write 1 plus t square whole square. This we will write. Here dt. Okay, so after this we are having what? This we can separate. So it will become e power t. Then here 1 plus t square divided by 1 plus t square whole square. And second term will be what? Minus 2t 1 plus t square whole square. This you will get. Correct? So 1 t square will cancel. 1 plus t square and this will cancel. So after this e power t. Here 1 by 1 plus t square and second term will be minus 2t divided by 1 plus t square then whole square dt. This you will get. Correct? So here what I am saying this format e power x f plus f dash x. This format we are creating. So we have to check once if I am considering this fx, this is becoming f dash x or not. Okay, so differentiation of this I will do in front of you. So how we will do? 1 by 1 plus t square. 1 by 1 plus t square you can write 1 plus t square power minus 1. Okay, if you are differentiating this, what you will get? Minus 1, then 1 plus t square power n minus 1. Means minus 1 that will become minus 2. But it will not over here. 1 plus t square we have to differentiate again. So 1 differentiation 0, t square differentiation 2t. So it will become what? Minus 2t divided by 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square whole square. Okay, this will become. And this only our target, correct? This is fx, this will become f dash x. So final answer you can quote e power t into 1 by 1 plus t square plus c. Okay, and e power t you can write x and t you can write log x. So x plus 1 plus log x whole square plus c. Again, this question is also good, important. This one you can try again once. During this lecture only you can try. So this will be permanent in your mind. And I am going again next on next question. Okay, so this one. Who will tell me this one? How we can approach this one? Okay, again I will give you 1 minute time and tell me how you will approach this. Okay, others is saying multiply x inside. Okay. Okay, if I will multiply x inside, what will happen? Once I will multiply for you, so dx y x power 6 plus 3x. Okay, then after this, what we will do? So if you are thinking that is better, so what is your suggestion that I have done here? And what will be my suggestion? That also you should try once. What I am saying, you told x you can multiply inside. And what I am saying, take this x power 5 common. Take this x power 5 out. Then we will see what will happen. So it will become dx by x into x power 5. X power 5 we took outside, then what will happen? Here we will write 1 because x power 5 we took common. And here is 3 only. So x power 5 will come in denominator. So 1 plus 3 divided by x power 5 dx already we have written. X power 5, x power 1. This will become what? X power 6. So dx by x power 6. Then 1 plus 3 by x power 5. Okay, anyone can tell me after this? Anyone can tell me after this? Okay, so I will tell you after this also what we can do. We will take 1 plus 3 by x power 5 as t. This we will take t. So what will happen? If you will differentiate this, na, differentiation of 1 will be 0. And differentiation of this, how you will do? You will write 3 into x power minus 5. Then you will differentiate. So 3, then n x power n minus 1. This minus 5 will come here. So minus 5, then x power n minus 1. So minus 5 minus 1 dx equal to dt. Correct? So it will become what? It will become minus 15 x power minus 6 dx equal to dt. Okay, and that is our requirement also. We need this dx by x power 6. It is becoming like that. Correct? So this we will write in denominator 1 by x power 6 dx equal to what? Dt by minus 15. This we can write dt by minus 15. Correct? Okay. So this we will write here at place of this. So finally we will get this minus 1 by 15 dt by t. So it will become dt by t. Dt by t we know. Dt by t is log t. So minus 1 by 15 log t. T value is what? 1 plus 3 by x power 5 plus c. Okay. So that will be our answer. Okay. So this one also completed. We will try next. Okay. So this also next question. This came on by parts. One question we already did on this concept. So again, I will tell you formula for this. Formula is saying u into v if we are integrating. Correct? So formula is u integration of v. Then we will apply minus. Then integration. Differentiation of u. Differentiation of u. Integration of v. So that is our formula. In that case, which one will be u, which one will be v? So for selecting u, we are having one method that is eyelet method. Correct? So this will decide u. So x is what? Algebraic function. And tan inverse is what? Trigonometric function. So algebra is coming first. So this will become u. This x will become u. And this will become. Okay, this is inverse trigonometry. So inverse function is coming first. So this we will take u. Tan inverse x will become u and this will become v. Now we will apply formula. Okay, if we will apply formula, easily we will get this one. So I will apply formula also for you. How we can apply? We are saying u as it is integration of v. So tan inverse x as it is integration of x dx. Then minus, then integration. Differentiation of tan inverse x means differentiation of u. Okay, then integration. Integration of x, integration of x dx, which we can write. Correct. So after this, what will happen? Tan inverse x will come as it is. Differentiation of, sorry, integration of x will be x square by 2. Here minus differentiation of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. Here integration of x is what? X square by 2 dx. This we can write. Now what we will do? This 2 will be out. Here x square by 2, if you will multiply with x, na, it will be wrong. So this you can't multiply with x. So x square we will write first. X square by 2 tan inverse x. Here what we can write? Minus 1 by 2. Then x square. Why? 1 plus x square dx. This you can write. After this what I am saying, in case of these type of questions when power of numerator and denominator are same, generally same function we are creating in numerator. Okay, so how we will create? 1 plus x square is the requirement in numerator. So we will do plus 1 minus 1 in numerator. So what will happen? I will show you here. X square plus 1 minus 1 we will do. Correct? Then we will separate with this 1 plus x square. So 1 plus x square here. Here also 1 plus x square. Here integration, here integration. Correct? So this and this will cancel. Here will be dx only. Second term will be what? Minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So this will be our question. So x square by 2 tan inverse x. Here we can write minus 1 by 2, then bracket and integration of dx, then minus integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So that is our question. Now easily you can do. You can apply formula and you will get answer. Correct? Tell me the answer for this one. Okay, you are talking about this question. In this question, generally we are taking maximum power common. Maximum power we will take common, then remaining term we will take as t. If you are taking this t, this derivative will create a numerator. Correct? So that is a different type. Okay, these are the type. So if you are seeing this type of powers in denominator, you can take maximum power common. Okay, and here we applied this formula. Here you can write tan inverse x, here you can write x. Okay, after this you can try here. Correct? After this you can try and tell me the answer in chat. Okay, next. So this will be next. This I will give you. I will give you hint, then I will give this question in homework. How you can approach? First, this formula we have to create 2 cos A cos B formula. Formula is saying cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. How you will create? Here you can multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So 1 by 2. Here you can write 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos 2x cos 4x. Only we are applying in these two terms. Here we are applying. Cos 6x we will apply later. Only two terms we can take now. So here we are applying 2 cos A cos B. Formula is what? Cos A plus B. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. This formula you can apply. So cos A plus B is what? This is A and this one is B. So A plus B is what? 2x plus 4x. So it will become cos 6x plus cos A minus B. Cos A minus B will become 2x minus 4x means minus 2x. But cos minus 2x will go in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos theta and secant theta both are positive. So this we can write cos 2x, and outside we are writing what? Cos 6x. Here is what? Cos 6x, correct? So this will become what? Cos theta, because cos of minus theta is cos theta. This will go in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos theta is positive. So after this, what we will do? Again, we will multiply this cos 6x here. So it will become 1 by 2 cos square, cos square 6x dx. And second term will be what? Here. This we will multiply here. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2 cos 2x into cos 6x dx. This you can write. Okay, here our approach again. Here same thing, we will create 2 cos A cos B. We will multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So this term we can write 1 by 2 already here. 1 by 2 again we will write, and 1 2 will come here. So 2 cos A cos B. So 2 cos 2x cos 6x dx. This you can write. Okay, and here what we will do, see this, this formula we can write. Cos 2x formula we know, cos 2x is what? 2 cos square x minus 1. Okay, so if I am writing here 2x, here I will write x. We need cos 6x. But in question, they wrote here 6x. 2 cos square 6x. If I am making for 2 cos square 6x, I will write here cos 12x, because double we are writing here. Okay, now we need value of cos square 6x. So minus will go there. So it will become plus. So cos 12x plus 1 divided by 2. This will come. Here we will write. So 1 by 2 cos square, sorry, cos 12x plus 1 by 2 here dx. Now after this you can solve easily. Huh? I will give you after this in homework. You can try. Here only you should try. I think here only you should try. That is better. Okay, after this, next. Okay, this you can try after this. Okay, so this also again some good questions are here. So this also chances are more correct. So in this, what is our idea that I will tell you. First, we will open this cos x minus alpha. Then formula is saying cos a minus b. Cos a minus b formula is what? Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Cos A cos B, then plus sin A sin B. This formula we will apply. So here if you will apply, what will happen? Dx by, this is what? Sin cube x. Sin cube x, and here what we can write? Cos A cos B means cos x cos alpha, then plus sin. Plus sin A sin B means sin x and sin alpha. This you can write. Correct? After this, what we will do? From here we can take sin x common. Okay, why we are taking sin x common? If you will take from here sin x, that sin x will multiply here. It will become sin power 4. And when this sin power 4 will come out from root, it will become sin square x. And that sin square x, if you will transfer in numerator, that will become cosec square x. And this sin x, if you are taking common, this sin x will come here in denominator. So cos by sin will become cot. And cot x differentiation is cosec square x minus cosec square x. So that is our idea. One by one, I will tell you what I told. Correct? One by one, I will write. Then you will understand. So first, this sin x I am taking common. This will multiply here. So what we will write? We will write dx by under root of sine power 4. Correct? Sine power 4x. Then here is sin x, but here is no sin x. So that sin x will come here in denominator. What we will write? We will write cos x by sin x. Cos x by sin x. And cos alpha we will write. Then plus. From here sin x we took. So it will become sin alpha. Correct? Sin alpha. Then here bracket close. It will become cot x. Correct? That is under root. So sine power 4 will come out from under root. It will become sine square. So next term will be what? Sine square. Okay, one more thing. Why it is becoming sine square? Because this is what? Sine power 4. And under root means what? 1 by 2 power. So this 2 and this 4 will cancel. Here sine square x will come. So outside we can write sine square x. Here is what? Under root. Cos by sine will become cot. So cot x, then cos alpha plus sine alpha you can write. Correct? Okay. So this sine square x will go in numerator. It will become cosec square x. So cosec square x dx. Then here is what? Here is cot x, cot x, cos alpha plus sine alpha. This we can write. Okay. So after this, we are taking this as t. This denominator we are taking t. Then easily you can do. After this, no problem. Cot x, cos alpha, plus sine alpha. This completely we are taking what? 2. Sorry, t. So cos alpha is constant, differentiation will happen, only cot x differentiation will happen. Cot x differentiation minus cosec square x. Here we will write cos alpha. Cos alpha minus cosec square x. Here sin alpha differentiation 0. Here dx equal to dt. Okay, so cos square x is already here. Minus and cos alpha we will transfer in denominator. So cosec square x dx will be what? Minus dt by cos alpha. Okay, minus dt by cos alpha. So here we can write minus 1 by cos alpha. Here dt by under root t. This under root t will go in denominator. It will become minus 1 by cos alpha. It will become t power minus 1 by 2 dt. Then easily you can apply x power n formula. X power n formula you will apply, you will get answer. Okay, so after this I will give you, you can try after this, and one line you can write, and next question is this. Okay, so tell me this one, what we can do here. Okay, so this is what? 10 power 3, this is cos power 3. Okay, so one by one we are thinking what we can do. 10 is here, we can convert in secant theta we can convert. So this will become what? 10 power 3. You try for 1 minute. Okay, then again I will come, I will tell you. You try this for 1 minute. Okay, so what I was telling, this cos cube we can transfer in numerator again. So what will happen? It will become sec cube x dx. This will become correct. So after this, what we can do? If I'm saying 10x equal to t, then it will become secant square x dx dt. Secant square x dx will be dt, correct? Then, but one secant x will come extra. That is the problem. Okay, then one more thing we can do here. If I am taking secant x as t, then what will happen? Okay, secant x equal to t, then secant x into 10x. Secant x into 10x into dx will become dt. This will become dt, correct? So, if I am taking secant x equal to t, okay, so I am writing here 10 square x. 10 square x and 1 10x we can write here for dt, okay, and here secant x, 1 secant x we can write here for dt, and remaining is what? Secant square x dx. I think these two, this and this will become dt. Remaining we will write, so remaining is what? Remaining is 10 square x and secant square x dt, correct? Secant x you can write t. So here we will write t. So 10 square x into t dt. Now we have to write 10x also in form of secant square x. So 10 square x you can write secant square x minus 1 into t. Here you can write t. So again secant x is t. So here you can write t square minus 1 into t dt. Now this t you can multiply inside. It will become t power 3 minus t dt. You can apply formula, you will get answer. So t power 3 differentiation is what? T power 4 by 4 minus t differentiation is what? T square by 2 plus c. Here at place of t you can write the secant x. So this will become what? Secant power 4 x divided by 4 minus secant square x by 2 plus c. So that will be your answer. Are you getting this one? Okay. So next. Okay, this also interesting. This question also interesting. Why interesting? I will tell you, because this x power 1 by 2 is here and 1 by 3 also here. If 1 by 2 only will be here, then we can easily differentiate or integrate whatever. But here is 1 by 2 power, here is 1 by 3 power. That is the problem. If you will take x power 1 by 2 as t, easily you can't write this power in form of t. If you can write also, this fractional power you can't reduce. How we have to take, these two will decide this 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Because if you are taking 1 by 2 as t, this term you can't write completely in integer power form. Correct? If I am saying x power 1 by 3 as t, then x power 1 by 2 you can't write in integer power form. Correct? So what we have to do? What we are doing, we are taking x power t power 6. X equal to t power 6 we are taking. Then easily these two power will create in integer form. That only our target. For now, what is our target? These two power we will reduce in integer form. Then after that easily you can tackle. Correct? So differentiation will be what? Dx equal to 6 t power 5 dt. This will be our differentiation. Okay, so this we will write in numerator. So 6 into t power 5 dt. In denominator, what you can write? X power 1 by 2. X I am saying t power 6. So x power 1 by 2 will be what? t power 6 power 1 by 2. So this will become t power 3. Correct? And 1 by 3, how we can write? T power 6 power 1 by 3. It will become t square. So these two we can write in the denominator. So t square plus t cube. This will come. Correct? Now t square we can take common. So t power 5, then t square we can take common. If you are taking common, remaining will be what? T plus 1. Here dt. Now t square and t power 5 will cancel. It will become t power 3 divided by t plus 1. Now again this question interesting. One question we completed when power will be same. When power was same for numerator and denominator. But in this time, in this question, numerator power is bigger than denominator power. So here what we will do, we will divide this t cube, we will divide by t plus 1. Or second thing what you can do plus minus. So that any formula you will create and you can reduce this power. What you are saying, sir? This I am saying. T cube is here, correct? So I will do t cube plus 1 minus 1. This I will do. Okay, here I am applying formula. Which formula? A cube plus B cube formula. Formula saying A cube plus B cube is what? A plus B, then A square minus AB plus B square. This formula you can do. Correct? So A plus B is what? T plus 1. Then A square means T square. Then B square means 1 square means AB. AB means T only. Okay, and here minus 1. And in divided by T plus 1. So this whole thing you can write here. Here t plus 1 and here t plus 1. So this t plus 1 will cancel. Remaining is what? Remaining is this. T square minus t plus 1 dt. Then here minus 6 1 by t plus 1 dt. Now easily you can integrate. 1 by t is log t and t square will be t power 3 by 3. This t square 2 by 2. This one integration is t. This will complete. Okay, so after this next. So this will be next. Then one more we have. Then I think this one is completed. Okay, this will be last. So two, three question we will do. Then we will complete this class. Okay, so this also very interesting and little bit lengthy we can say. Difficult we will not say, but lengthy we can say. So beginning, how we will begin. So that is also important. First line, this numerator we will write. How we will write? Sine power 4, sine power 4x whole square minus cos power 4. Here also whole square we will write. Okay, so this will become a square minus b square. What is a? This one is a and this one is b. So a square minus b square is what? A plus b, a minus b. So a plus b is what? Sine power 4 plus cos power 4. This will be a plus b. Now we are saying a minus b. So a minus b will be what? Sine power 4 minus cos power 4. So here this one we can't break, but this one we can break again. So what this we will write same sine power 4 plus cos power 4. But this one we are breaking again. How we will break? We can write sine square whole square. Here you can write cos square whole square. Correct? So a square minus b square again. This will become our a and this will become our b. Okay, a plus b, a minus b. So sine power 4 here plus cos power 4. This we are writing as it is. Here we can write again a plus b. A plus b means what? Sine square x plus cos square x. And second one will be sine square x minus cos square x. Okay, sine square x minus cos square x. This one will become 1. Okay, this one will become 1. This one we can't break, so this we will write. We can break this also, but no use. So this we will write as it is. Now this we will break. How we will break? This you can write sine square whole square plus here cos square whole square you can write. Okay, so a square plus b square is same a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay, minus 2ab. So how we will do? We will do like this sine square x plus cos square x. Sine square x plus cos square x whole square minus 2ab means 2 sine square x cos square x. This we can write. Okay, this will become 1. 1 minus 2 sine square x cos square x. Okay, so finally this and this will come. So this we will write in numerator. So 1 minus 2 sine square x 2 sine square x cos square x and second term will be what? Second term will be sine square x minus cos square x. Okay, and denominator is 1 minus 2 sine square x cos square x. Okay, then this and this we can cancel, and from here if you will take minus common it will become cos square x minus sine square x. Cos square x minus sin square x is the formula of cos 2x. That's why we took minus common. So cos 2x. Cos 2x integration is sin x. But I told you in beginning, whatever is the coefficient of x, that we will write in denominator. So finally minus sin 2x by 2 plus c. That will be answer for this one. This is again interesting one, little bit lengthy, little bit we have to reduce in formula. So if we don't know formula, then this one you can't do. So in this question, little bit formulas are important, correct? So next will be this. This we will do. First we will do this one. Then we will do that one, correct? So in this question, we can see this format e power x fx plus f dash x. This format we can see easily. Only we have to find out which one is f, which one is f dash x. If I am saying this one is f, okay, if I am saying this one is f, then differentiation of this should come like this, correct? So if I will differentiate, what will happen? dy by dx. This will go in numerator, correct? Okay, if this will go in numerator, this thing will come or not? It will become minus 3 by 2, then minus 5 by 2. Okay, minus 5 by 2 and 2x. This will not come. This will not come. Okay. So if I am saying this one is f, okay, this one also we can try. So if I am saying this one is f, then xy under root of 1 plus x square. This how we can differentiate? We can differentiate by u by v method. Method is saying which method? U by v method. How we are applying u by v? Here is u, here is v. So formula is saying v differentiation of u minus u differentiation of v divided by v square. That is our formula. So this 1 plus sin 1 plus x square under root as it is, differentiation of x is 1, then minus x as it is, differentiation of this. So root x differentiation 1 by 2 root x. But chain rule is saying whatever you are considering x, that you have to differentiate again. So this part again you have to differentiate. So 1 differentiation 0, x square differentiation 2x. So this 2 and 2 will cancel. In denominator you can write whole square of this term. Whole square of this is 1 plus x square. Now what will happen? Here this term we will multiply here because of LCM. So this will become 1 plus x square into this. So root will cancel. So 1 plus x square. Here x into x will become x square. So minus x square divided by this under root of 1 plus x square. And main divide is this one. Okay. So 1 plus x square. From here we will make this reciprocal. This and this will cancel. So here what you can write? 1 by under root of 1 plus x square into 1 by 1 plus x square. So here power 1 and here power 1 by 2. So this will become what? 1 plus x square power 3 by 2. Why 3 by 2? Because here is 1. Here is 1 by 2. In multiply, when bases are same, power will add. So it will become 3 by 2. So if I am saying this function is f, then this function will be f dash x. So final answer is what? If you are integrating e to the power x, fx plus f dash x, final answer will be e power x f of x plus c. Okay, so e power x f of x. F of x means x by under root of 1 plus x square plus c. Okay, so this will be our answer. This also interesting. This question also interesting. Correct? This you can try again, once again. Okay, so one more we are having pending. Correct? First one I think we didn't do. Okay, this also very interesting. Correct? This you will see in MCQ or in 2 mark you can see this one. So cos x minus sin x is here. Generally, what is our idea? Something is written in this denominator that we are saying to. But here, if you are considering this one as t, then how you will generate this? Correct? So what we will do? We will think in reverse direction. We will think like that. What we will integrate? Sorry, what we will differentiate so that this cos x will come. So differentiation of sin x is cos x. So first we will write sin x. Then what we will differentiate so that this minus sin x will come. So plus cos x. This we will assume equal to t because differentiation of sin x is cos x and differentiation is of cos x is minus sin x. So we know if we will assume this t, this will become dt. Okay, so differentiation of sin x is what? Cos x. Differentiation of cos x is what? Minus sin x. Minus sin x into dx will be what? Dt. Correct. So in numerator we can write dt. Now we have to tackle denominator also. Okay, so we are having sin x plus cos x as t. Correct. So what is my idea? I am saying squaring both sides. Why we are doing squaring, sir? Because if you will square this, na, one term will come that will become 2ab. 2ab means 2 sin x cos x. And 2 sin x cos x you can write sin 2x. That's why we are doing square here. So both side squaring will work. So sin x plus cos x whole square equal to what? T square. Here a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square is what? Sin square x plus cos square x plus 2ab means 2 sin x cos x, correct, equal to t square. This class 10th identity 1 and this will become 2 sin theta cos theta means sin 2 theta sin 2x equal to t square. Now this sin 2x you can write t square minus 1. Here we will write. So what it will become? It will become dt by 8 minus so bracket also t square minus 1 here under root. Okay. So after this dt minus inside. So 8 minus t square and minus here also minus plus. So it will become what? Dt by 9 minus t square with under root. Formula under root of a square minus x square. So here this will become 3 square minus t square means sine inverse x by a. Sine inverse x. X means what? X means t. So this will become t by 3. T value is this. Sine plus cos. Means sine x plus cos x by 3 you can write. Plus c. Okay, so B value is what? 3 and A value is what? 1. If you will compare these two, so A value is 1 and B value is 3. So finally they are saying A minus B means they are saying 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 will be minus 2. So this will be answer for this one. Again, this also good question. This again you can try once by yourself. Okay. Okay. So next last question we are having here. Then after that you can sleep and I will say best of luck for tomorrow exam. Your exam will become well only. That will go well only. That is my basis. Yeah, and this one also we will do. This one will be last. Okay, so this question also having two, three type. Sometimes here cos is written, sometimes they will write sign also. Okay, so two, three different type of questions you can see in this format. Okay, what will be our idea? If here will be cos, then in numerator we will generate sign. Okay, how we will generate? This is what x plus a, this is what x plus b. So in between we will write minus first. X plus a minus x plus b. If you will subtract these two, what will happen? X plus a minus x minus b. So x and x will cancel, it will become a minus b. Correct? So a minus b is nothing but constant only. So that's why first we are writing a minus b here and in denominator. But we will write with the sign because cos is here na. So opposite we will generate in numerator. So we will multiply with sine a minus b and divide also with sine a minus b. Sine a minus b here also sine a minus b. Correct? So cos x plus a and cos x plus b. This here what? Dx. Okay, now this a minus b we will write in this format. Then only we can do this type of questions. Because what is our idea? Idea is same thing we will create a numerator with plus minus sign. Then only we can reduce these type of terms. So a minus b we will write like this. What will happen? 1 by sine a minus b and here sine x plus a. Correct? This will be what? X plus a then minus of x plus b. This we can write. Correct? Here dx and divided by cos x plus a and cos x plus b. Okay, again formula. So this formula is saying sine a minus b formula, I think. So sine a minus b formula is what? Okay, so sine a plus b formula sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Okay, and if I'm writing sine a minus b, then sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So that we will write. So 1 by sin a minus b, this as it is. And then here formula. Formula is saying sin a cos b. So sin x plus a cos b cos x plus b. Then minus cos x plus a divided into sin x plus b. Divided by this whole term cos x plus a cos x plus b. And here also we will separate cos x plus a cos x plus b. Okay, so done. After this and this will cancel. Here, this and this will cancel. Remaining sine by cos. Sine by cos will become what? Sine by cos will become, I think, 10. So 1 by sine a minus b. As it is, it will become 10x plus a. X plus a, then minus, I think, minus. This will become 10x plus b. 10x plus b. Then integration means formula. 10x formula is what? Log sec x. Correct? Log secant x. So sine a minus b as it is. And here is what? Log secant x means log sec x plus a. And here you can write minus log sec x plus b, okay, and plus c. That will be your answer. In this format, you are having two, three types. Whatever is written in denominator, we will create, if cos is here, we will create sine. If sine is here, we will create cos. That is only idea. Then formula only we are applying. Correct? Okay, so you are saying what should we do if we have power of numerator and denominator are equal? If power of numerator and denominator are equal, we are generating same term in the numerator. Let's say any one question I will take and I will tell you if I am writing here x square divided by x square plus 1. So here power of numerator and denominator same. So generally what we are doing same thing we will create in the numerator. So x square plus 1 we will create. So if you will write plus 1 then minus 1 also important. Correct? So divided by x square plus 1 and here also x square plus 1. This and this will cancel. So this will become 1 minus 1 by x square plus 1. Now easily you can integrate. Integration of 1 is what? Integration of 1 is x. And integration of 1 by x square plus 1 is what? Tan inverse x. Tan inverse x plus c. Like that we will integrate. Okay. Other than that, any doubt you can tell me? Okay, then we will meet to some other day and best of luck for your exam. I wish your exam will go well. Some one two question you will expect difficult also, but there will be one two question only, maximum two or three question. The remaining question easily you can attempt. You have to trust on yourself. Remember all formulas, recall all formulas before going exam. Once you have to see all concepts and formulas, easily you will attempt your exam. Okay, so we will meet to some other day. And for today, this class is completed.